Plain and spicy tortillas are surprisingly easy to make at home. These flour tortillas are perfect for enchiladas, tacos, burritos, and wraps. Hey guys, this is Darshi and welcome to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to be making tortilla wraps from scratch. I'm going to be making two kinds of tortilla wraps. One is plain and one is spicy. So I'm going to start by making the dough. So here I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon salt, and half a cup of hot water. Now knead the dough. So the dough is now ready. I'm going to divide it into 2 portions. I'm going to leave one plain and keep it aside. And in the other half, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, and 1 teaspoon of coriander. So my spicy dough is now ready. I'm going to also add the plain dough in the same bowl on the side and allow it to rest for about 15 minutes. The dough is now moist. I'm going to divide it into 4 portions. Make dough balls. And I'm going to repeat the same with the spicy dough. Now I'm going to start rolling the plain dough. I'm going to try and roll it as thin as I can. So this is now rolled. It's about 7 inches in diameter. I'm just going to place it on a tea towel. So I'm going to now start cooking the tortillas on a flat pan. Cook it very lightly on medium heat. So I'm going to repeat the same with the spicy rolled dough. Cook it equally both sides. These tortillas are perfect for any fillings like for fajitas, or toast them crispy and enjoy it with fresh veggies or dips. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.